Hey guys, this is Kumar Shivam from the Yo blog, and this is another video tutorial where we will tell you that how you can upload images to the database using MySQL and PHP. We will also tell you how to retrieve the images and display it using HTML and PHP. So now here we go. I have written the code beforehand so that it will take less time. I'll upload both the code and the database schema in the description below. So here we go for the code. The first thing first, let me show you how it works. So I've chosen or built a rather ugly page because I just have to let you know how to upload. So this is just a basic HTML. You will write these things: title, meta charset, UTF-8. These are the basic HTML structure one should follow. And once that body, you should use the form tag where the action should take you to the same home.php. The file name is home.php. The action should take you to the same page. The method we are using here is post. We do have two methods, post and get. For security reasons, we are using post here. And ink type multipart form data. This one is the new thing. Whenever we are dealing with files, we should use this one. So now there are three input fields which we should take care of. The first one is the file upload size. If you want to set a maximum file upload size, you have to use this one. We'll take that input tag, put the type equals to hidden, name equals to max file size. Now this one is default, guys. You can see the PHP manual for that, and value is in bits. So if you, this one is 2.1 MB. If you want to set it for more, just alter the value like 4.1 MB, something like that. And then the actual upload field, the upload button, choose file, it will come from this one, input type equals to file name equals to image. Now this name is just for the reference of the database, and we will use it later on in PHP. Now the input type equals to submit, the submit button which we are familiar with. You change the value, so instead of submit, it's showing upload image. Now moving a bit forward, once you will do this page will appear, but it is of no use as we haven't used PHP till now. Now above that HTML file, open a PHP tag and leave it for this time. I'll let you know. Okay, you don't have to do this, actually just erase it because I have just echoed the values. So now if is set post equals to post upload. Now every one of you know that if this button is pressed, only the PHP file and the PHP code inside the if statement will be executed. And since we can't store all the images in the database, we have to store it in some variable I'm really sorry, in some folders. Now so we have to set the target part of the folder, and my target path is in this folder. I have images folder, image directory, that's a subdirectory, and you have to write that one. And then a base name is a function in PHP where you have to save the original file name. Now this is a super global $_files, and this one is used to access the original name of the file. You can see here in the PHP manual, files, user file name, the user file is R, file name is image, the original name of the file on the client machine. Now so this is the target, the file name would be saved like this. Once you do that, you have to connect to the database, and to connect you just have to use the MySQL connect function. And once you do that, put the localhost root, that is username, and this is the password is empty. My password is empty. If you have some password, put it here. And photos is my database. Now you go to the PHP myadmin and photos database with the images table. I'll show you the structure of the table. It just has two fields. That's the ID, which I have set to auto increment of in data type size 11, and image varcat 200. Now once you do these two things, just it's connected. Now get data from the form. Now if you want to get the data from the form into this variable, just use the same super global we used here, and the name of the form, the name of the file would be saved in image. Now you have to run a SQL query, that is insert into images. The images is a table name. Here you can see the table name is images. We have the field image, and we have to insert the value into image, because id is already set to auto increment and we don't need to put value there. So insert into images, images value is image. Now what the thing which will be stored here is the name of the file, actually the original name of the file, and then we run this MySQL query, and we use the connection variable and the SQL variable, and we use the MySQL query PHP function to insert the images in the image table. Now let's move it to the folder. Once you do that, you have to move it to the folder, and to do that you have move uploaded files function in PHP, and what you have to do is to use the temporary name which is saved in the server. The temporary name of the file which is saved in the server, you can see here in where is it, yeah, in the PHP manual, the temporary file name of the which is uploaded file was stored in the server. You have a temporary name. You can just run the $files, echo the $files, I'm sorry, print r the $files, and you can see the associative array actually contains a temp name variable or field inside which a temporary name of the image is stored in the server. So we have to move this file to the target location, which is images folder. So to do that, we have move uploaded file. Now if this is a success, will be echo uploaded, else we will echo error. So let's just save it. Just delete these two folders files, and once you do that, we just go to full images. Now save it, refresh it, go localhost, wherever the file is there saved, just choose file, for example this one, upload images. It's uploaded. Now go here, image, and you can see this one is saved here. You go inside images, see, so you can see the file is uploaded. Okay, now we have to now, once it is uploaded, we have to actually retrieve and display it. It's very simple, guys. Just create another .php file that's called display.php, write some HTML, the basic HTML, from this to body. Now inside the PHP tag, make a connection once again, the same connection to the database. Write the SQL query, select asterisks from images. Asterisks I have used just because there's only two fields and we can retrieve both of them. If you want to have only one field, you can write select images from images, so it will select only the image column from the images table. Now once you do that, just run the MySQL query function, which will execute the SQL query, and now this result will contain the results. So we will use the MySQL fetch array, which actually returns the associative array to this variable, and this associative array will be stored, the whatever the result is fetched from the database will be stored in this variable. Now once we need to retrieve the image from this variable or this array, we just have to echo the image tag, where the src is the source we have to display it. So image src, the image is stored inside the images directory, so slash row image. This will tell the name of this one, the name of the image, and width 200, height 200. Once we do that, just save it, go to display.php, and see the image is displayed. So guys, thank you for watching. Do subscribe us.